Okay. So first item in FabfitFun. Ooh. $50 off HelloFresh packet. And usually the ones I see are $30 off, so $50 off is awesome. Wow. First of all, let's just look at how much stuff is packed into this box. It's really heavy too, so. It's $49.99, but I had a $10 off code, so I used it, so it's 40 bucks, $39.99. First we have Ish Lip Statement Palette. Let's see what it looks like. Very nice packaging. And it has the plastic seal on. Look at this. So you get 12 different shades of lip statement palette. I really like these colors. Alright, that's number one. Then we have Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. Ooh, I love necklace. We love to see how you wear it. Little velvet pouch. It's very nice. I think I'm gonna wear that today. Then we have this Muirhead 3 hydrating skin perfecting lotion. Muirhead skin perfecting lotion. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it's a nice texture. It's very nice because it's a full-size lotion. Here. Rachel Pally. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like some kind of bag. Sorry if you hear the birds in the background. Ooh, what is this? First of all, I just like this, even though it's just wrapping. I love that. This is so nice. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's a pouch. It's so cute, and it can flap. Girl. Hold up. This is so pretty. Okay. That is so nice. I like that. What else do we have? What is this? A Ziploc-y pouch thingy going on. It's a nice thick plastic feeling. KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. And I have 5 collagen infused lip masks. I guess you put them on your lips. Oh, they feel like it's inside. It's shaped like it is in the packet. You can kind of see the outline right there. You put them on your lips. Wow. And I have 5 of those in a nice little pouch. You can use for like your tampons or your pads or something. That's so cute. I like that. Collagen infused lip mask. Next we have, Free People and Understand leather. With love from Texas. I'll have to get the editor's paper to read up on. Oh, this feels so nice. Okay, I'm assuming you can either heat this up. You probably heat it up, but you could probably freeze it as well. And it's a eye mask. Oh my gosh, that would probably feel awesome warm. Oh my girl, that would probably feel so good warm. Like squishy inside. That's nice. I like that. Next we have Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Crushed macadamia and rice milk. It's a little sample. Exfoliating body polish. In the shower or bath, scoop a generous amount of body polish with hands spread all over your body in a circular motion and rinse. Follow with the body wash or beauty bar. That's nice. I think this is a candle. Yeah, I'm right. This is a Fresh Linen number 15 candle. This is so pretty. I love this copper. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, yes. Yes, Fresh Linen number 15. Yes, come through. Come all the way through 15. What? That smells so good. Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler Nail Therapy. So this is for ridgy nails. It's concealer treatment for your nails. And it's a green-based formula, which means it's earth-friendly. And then last but not least, we have this dual-handle body roller massage balls. Oh, yeah. I told my husband that I would test it out on him later. The handles are very soft. You get full range of motion. These balls feel like they would feel amazing on your back or on the back of your legs. Even on your thighs, maybe. Tummy. Yeah. He's going to get that later. So that's everything that was in the box. It's quite a nice amount of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 things in the box, along with this $50 HelloFresh coupon. I am not mad at that at all. That is very nice stuff. So, at very least, I am going to continue out through the next 4 boxes. We'll have 3 left. This is my first, right? And I'll get the next 3 for the cycle of the year. But I am very pleased at this box. Everything in it. I'm excited to see what else is going to come. I've seen a couple ladies open boxes where they've gotten like shrugs or shawls, really nice sweaters, just really nice stuff, t-shirts, and I'm excited for that because I love all that kind of stuff. This lip palette, I'll try it, but more than likely I'm going to end up giving it to my best friend because she likes lip stuff all the time, every day. All day long. And I'm more of a glossy girl, but who knows. Definitely going to try the eye mask. Definitely going to massage my husband. Definitely going to try the exfoliating stuff. The candle will burn tonight. The lotion, yes. The necklace is going on now, and I love this box. So thanks, FabfitFun. I really like it. So that's my first thought on my thoughts on my first box, and yeah, it's a keeper.